Hey guys, welcome to Pen Dentistry. Hope you all are doing good. I am Dr. Ayshwarya with you for easy learning and better understanding. And yes, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon for the latest upcoming videos. Without further delay, let's get started. We are going with DCI. DCI, what is DCI? Dental Council of India. It is the full form of DCI. The duties or the objectives which DCI perform is DCI should maintain uniform standard. I will be teaching you in a simple manner. Uniform standard of dental at UG and PG level. Okay. And the standard curriculum for training of dentist, dental hygienist, dental mechanics and condition for such training. Okay. DCI should prescribe standard of examination and other requirements to be satisfied to secure for qualification recognizing under the Dentist Act. What it is, what it done, what it do, it selects the uniform standard for the dental education. First one, this is first one. Second one, standard curriculum for the dentist, dental hygienist, dental mechanics, and for such training. Okay. And the third one, this is the second one, and the third one, examination. If there is education, then there will be curriculum and there will be examination and other requirements are also there to satisfy and to secure the qualification. So these things DCI do. DCI was made on 12th April 1949, just after 2 years of independence of India. DCI is in this, the one member is selected from, it is the dentist. He or she is the dentist which possesses dental qualification elected by dentists registered in Part A of each state register. Okay. Dentists are elected from the Part A registration of each state register. Okay. And then one registered member of Medical Council of India is taken, one to represent one state. Every single representative is representing the one state. Okay. From among registered person of the state. Anybody who is registered person of the state, these people are elected by them. Not more than 4 are elected by the principal. When the principal, dean, director, vice principal of the dental college are electing, at that time not more than 4 people are elected. And here not more than one from the same college. If one person is there, he should be of different college, and the another person is there, he or she should be of different college. And if the third person is also there, he or she should be of different college. And one from each university. Everybody should have from should be from every each university. University should not match, college should not. And in all there are 6 members nominated by the central government. In that, one professional dentist from institution is taken in 4 union territories. From 4 union territories, one is taken, and at least 2 shall be the dentist. 2% should be the dentist, and they are registered by the Part B of the state region. Okay. The Director General of the Health Service ex-officer. Sometimes they are elected by the Director General of Health Services, which are ex-officios. Sometimes by the ex-officials also. So in all, at last in all there are 6 members nominated. They can be nominated by these procedures, by dental college or by MCI. This is Medical Council of India, MCI, or by the dean principals, or dental colleges by health service generators, ex officios, and by the government of the state. So these were the composition of the DCI, how DCI is made, how many members are present in the DCI. DCI is they function like they check the minimum education standard for BDS degrees. They check the minimum staff for UG studies. There may be 40, 60 or 100 seats or number of admission available. They check the minimum physical requirements of the dental college. Basic qualification and teaching experience required. They check that to teach PDS and MDS student. Dental facilities, its duration, selection of the students. They do these things. Dental facilities which in the dental colleges, its duration, how much time it should be given, selection of the student, which students should be selected for the facilities, migration and transfer routes for the MDS. If the MDS people or PG people are wanted to transfer or migrate from one place to another, or the MDS staff, they have rules for that. Dental curriculum, time subjects which are available, clinical and field programs which are available. For that they do the they set the system, and which subjects is to be studied in each year of the dentist, and these they select. Regulation of the schemes of exam for the BDS, which schemes to be run on the basis of the exam for BDS and MDS students. They said these things. This was the function of the DCI. Thank you for watching Pen Dentistry. To know more about me, links are in description box. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for the latest videos.